So, one last thing to talk about technique with just basic stepping pattern. It's the distance that you move away from the step. So when you're stepping up and stepping down, you want to make sure that you're stepping down far enough that you don't feel like you're about to trip over the step to get your feet back up again, but also that you're not stepping so far away that you're inclined to bounce to skip it forwards and maybe not get your whole foot up on top of the step. Again, another misguided idea around about intensity. If I move further away, I'm going to be working harder. Well, you may feel that way, but you're also increasing the risk of not getting quite up there, or you're having all those issues with bouncing around and using the fascia and the Achilles tendon to get you back up again, rather than these larger muscle groups, which is what step was really designed to do. So all you have to do is make sure that you step down and keep the heels down to the floor as you hit the step and as you come down.